Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you some easy steps on how you can log into your WhatsApp account on your desktop. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.whatsapp.com and hit enter. After the WhatsApp website opens up on your screen, on the top of your screen you'll see this menu. On this menu, click on the first option, which is the WhatsApp web option. Once you click on the WhatsApp web option, you'll be guided to another page. Now, all you have to do is follow these instructions and you'll be automatically logged in to your WhatsApp account on your desktop. For your ease, I'll be showing you through my phone how you have to open up your camera through WhatsApp and scan this QR code. Firstly, make sure that you're connected to the internet and open up the WhatsApp. After this home page or the chat space of WhatsApp opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see three dots which will open up a menu. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the three dots, a menu opens up on your screen. On that menu, click on the link devices option. After you click on the link devices option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, click on this link a device option. Once you click on the link a device option, you'll be further guided to another page. Now click on OK and then a camera will open up on your screen. Now, all you have to do is use this camera to scan the QR code on your desktop and you'll be automatically logged in to your WhatsApp account. I hope this video helped you to log into WhatsApp on your desktop. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.